We are in Ho Chi Minh City, guys, in Saigon. We'll show you how a little bit of Ho Chi Minh City look like. We are in District 1 right now. This whole area, which is huge, is you can see this, all the things are Ben Thanh Market. No, I can't. खूबसूरत दोस्तों. It is beautiful. देख लो दोस्तों, Ashley Amendola, what she is doing.
Good, buddy.
See guys, this is the thing which Modi ji was also doing. भाइयों जिलाटो शॉप मिली है तो एशली जी को जिलाटो काफ़ी पसंद है.
I brought 5 cameras.
Oh,
I brought this.
cafe, coffee building.
Try going inside.
Hello, namaste, what's up? Xin chào, not namaste guys. We are in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City. So, we are in Ho Chi Minh City, guys, in Saigon. We'll show you how a little bit of Ho Chi Minh City look like. We are in District 1 right now. So guys, we have Ashley Amendola. I'll show you some District 1 streets. It's very beautiful. Vietnam is super, I will not say it's cheap, honestly.
So far, it's not that cheap, honestly. But
Yeah.
I think we'll see.
And we are also spending and going to the good places actually.
Yeah, we're not eating like the
Local
local
food.
street food because it's difficult to find
And
veggies.
vegetarians, you're gonna die here. We went to
We're gonna die.
20 shops or 20 restaurants and there was weird things. Means very, very, very less options for vegetarian people, I think so. Bro, ये है Ben Thanh Market. ये जो Ben Thanh Market. Ben Thanh. And then we went there yesterday to the Ben Thanh Market, and this whole area, which is huge, is you can see this, all the things are Ben Thanh Market. And a lot of cheap stuff also, but do bargain, okay? Wow, and the sun is setting here. It's beautiful, neat and clean. I love it. Body buildings, big buildings. There's that one. And a lot of rooftop bars also I saw from my terrace. Oh, massage. Massage. और देखो भाई कितने तरीके से buses के stop पे. Yeah, the public transport system is super cool. They give you the whole map over here, and this is the bus stops, where the bus stops, and you can see electronic numbers of the buses, which basically stops on this bus stops basically. So huge buildings.
Traffic.
देख लो भाई. This is what I talk about when I say traffic. It's nothing. I posted a video yesterday on my Instagram. You guys should see that. We have endeavors, but this is about to become. देख लो भाई, Everest. This is supposed to become in India. Let's see when.
More of a rich area
Yeah,
compared to where we are.
yeah. We live in a poor place, bro. I think this is flats, apartments, huge buildings. And big bike culture here. Two-wheelers is everywhere.
Yeah.
A lot of them. Bhaiyo, also you can find like India, they sell sugarcane, orange juice, everything on the side of the street. I think we can. Wow. Check it out, guys. Looks super duper duper beautiful. Oh. Okay.
Crossing is kind of
No. Just wait now. I'll take care of that. No, I can't.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's go. People are good here also. they give you the space. Yeah. तो भाई ये कोई lake है or something. So we'll go for a walk and see.
I really do think the best way to see a new city is just by wandering in random directions.
Yeah.
I like it.
Oh, some firecrackers.
Oh, some big ship things also.
Oh yeah. खूबसूरत दोस्तों. It is beautiful.
See, in India, this will be filled with trash.
Yeah. No, there will be nothing like this. I think they are cleaning, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah.
देख लो भाई कैसे सफाई हो रही है. They are cleaning the place.
So I'm pretty sure this crosses into a different district.
Oh yeah.
Pretty
Okay.
sure district.
Possible.
Oh wow, look at this.
देख रहे हो भाइयों खूबसूरत सनसेट होते हुए. I don't know how much you guys can see.
This is interesting.
And can you see this thing, guys? They are trying to clean the whole river. I don't know what was the last time I have seen this thing happening in India. Cleaning a river, not just on this side, on both the sides. So even if you go that side, you can also find this cleaning things going on. Wow, very cool. And then sun is setting up. We came from the right side where was the district 1. Now we are going to the left side where we don't know where it is. Oh, I don't know how much you guys can see, but
Here, show them in my camera.
yeah, just check it out in the camera, guys, that they are flying some kites or something over there, which looks super cool.
Yeah.
And a lot of content creators are here, believe so, making so many time lapse for sun setting down. And it's a good place to come, chill, relax. Yeah, I love it. It's beautiful. Do you think they have fishes
I
there?
was just thinking, I wonder if there's fish in there.
I
I don't
think so.
see any, but
Did you see?
yeah,
Something
a little
just-
ripple. Yeah. Quick workout in.
Yeah,
Can
you
we-
know,
Then come here.
and do some workout. Yeah, go for Ash.
What is this?
Oh, for right and left. Yeah. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Yeah.
Swinging.
देख लो दोस्तों Ashley Mendola को what she is doing.
Please don't put this in the
I am
vlog.
gonna put it in the vlog. What do you mean, dude?
Okay, guys. Now you get to see the boy.
So you basically can fully stretch. I'm getting stretched.
Kind of cool, huh?
I like it. I wanna leave the hands, but I'm gonna fall down. So I'm not gonna do that.
Do
job.
one-handed.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, that's it.
Looking good,
See
buddy.
guys, this is the thing which Modi ji was also doing. Ashley Mary Amendulago. Yeah. Bodybuilder Ashley Amendola in front of you guys. For your
Beats. Beside us.
yeah, yeah.
Hey, guys. Oi.
Trying to balance it.
He's doing one leg, guys.
One leg. So you can go and subscribe my channel, guys. And if I fell down and he didn't subscribe, there will be chaos, guys.
Whoa. He's like an expert, bro.
Yeah, see, that's what I was saying.
Yeah. Looks beautiful.
The tiny park, you can see a lot of people doing exercises, and that's
I
my
think-
dance move. Yeah. You can put a TikTok music, guys. Okay. I'm done.
Good job, buddy.
So there is a photo shoot going on. Vietnamese people, I think they love photo shoots with their tradition dress. You can see that. And that's so cool. So huge buildings, guys, like fuck huge
It's gonna be
buildings.
a lot of.
Oh, now I'll show you guys how to cross. Yeah. You see? I can see that. Come on. It's very difficult to walk, guys. You can see a lot of people coming. And now check here. This is what's going on in here. When the traffic comes,
They will dodge you.
this is the Telesin neckband. So this neckband, when I was in Goa, so someone was wearing this thing with the DJI action camera. That's how I saw this thing, and I asked the guy if I can, where you got it from. And it was so cool because your both hands are free, you are walking, and actually it's stable. I'm not even putting chest strap right now. Without chest strap also it works very good, buddy. Maybe we should walk before this Bentley comes up. You see, that's what I'm talking about, their culture, sitting outside, eating, drinking. And then if people are giving you the space, you should also give respect, brother, which we Indians don't do usually. भाई सब्जियां अगर अपना घर हो ना, if you have your home, if I'll have a home, I'm pretty much sure I will not be sad because they have all the veggies here. If I am cooking by myself, you'll be so happy person.
And we will also like
Yeah. See, it's just, if you cross the road, it's all huge buildings, and you come to the side and you can see people in the streets selling things, like super cool. Reminds me of a lot of Thailand also. Yeah, that's how they, no. That's how they sell the seafood, guys. Like you see all these things. Sell seafood, like they are alive, like aquariums here, and they sell it. Veg. Che means veg, guys. They don't have pho. It doesn't look like a vegetarian shop.
Nhưng mà nó phái con ác tơi lao bên này.
Oh, see? भाइयों जिलाटो शॉप मिली है, तो एशली जी को जिलाटो काफ़ी पसंद है, so we will prefer it.
Okay, thank you. Oh, Thai milk tea. That's nice.
You know, I tried.
Durian flavor, right?
No, jeez. So भाई ये सारे आइसक्रीम के फ्लेवर्स हैं, तो तुम देख सकते हैं। एशली जी ट्राई करें आप। It's very good.
Mr. Blogger.
Hello.
I have that too.
You have this?
Yeah.
I just started using it.
I do that for my motorcycle.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I came back from Dalat today. I was riding motorcycle, so I was worried that.
We are going Dalat tomorrow.
Oh, it'll be fun.
Yeah,
Make sure to get a rent motorcycle.
Yeah, of course.
Very cheap.
Yeah, that's what the plan is, to stay there for some time and ride a motorcycle.
Yeah, I just came back from Dalat.
How was it? It's cold?
Depends on where you're from.
Okay, I'm from India.
Then you'll be cool.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, great. You also vlog?
I brought 5 cameras.
Oh,
I brought this.
yeah.
I have this. I have a DJI Air 3S.
Yeah, okay.
I have a DJI Action 5.
Okay.
And I have an Insta 360 X5.
Oh.
And I have phone. So I have 5 cameras.
I want to change from this to DJI soon.
DJI is not better.
DJI is going and doing really good things now, which I have seen.
Yeah.
So, this is Thai milk tea. You can see the names, you can pause it and read it. This is how much they charge. There are 2 people, they are super cool. Met this cool brother, he's from Hawaii, and then he came from Dalat.
Yeah.
So
But this one?
hopefully
In
he's
the
suggesting
early
us.
morning, you're
So
saying.
this is what you have to do. You gotta leave from your, since you guys are gonna get the place in a main Dalat, right? Make sure to leave.
So passion fruit and Swiss chocolate, both Ashley got it and looks good. And thank you for the brother to giving a good recommendations. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. I'll see you. Thank you. Bye. Ayo, Ashley Mandula ji. There is her ice cream sitting in middle of this chaotic street where we are sitting and eating ice cream. You like it?
Moo Gelato.
That's the name, guys. Moo Gelato.
It's very good actually.
Yeah?
Way better than the last gelato we had in Goa. He loved it.
Oh shit! That Gyatso. Stop selling ice creams, you Gyatso people. You don't know how to make ice creams. Stop selling it. Passion fruit. Fuck. It's a huge. It's super busy, huh?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow.
This is this main walking area I was telling you about.
Super famous.
This is the apartment cafe thing. Cafe apartments?
Yeah, very famous. Ayo, तो ये है यहाँ का famous cafe coffee building.
So this used to be an apartment building,
Okay.
and they converted it into all the apartments. They turned it into cafes.
Oh,
So it's a bunch of teeny tiny cafes.
I heard about it, but I also heard about it. To going up, you can use the lift, but you have to pay for it, or rather you walk. You know that?
No.
Yeah. So if you want to take lift, I don't know why people here don't like the lift. So if you want to use the lift in this building, you have to pay. Rather you walk.
Sun cream, lip balm, and toothpaste. Hope you can support me just a little, please.
Oh, I didn't.
She gives meals and things to the homeless
Oh,
in Ho Chi Minh and is asking for support.
This is sun cream.
you see, guys. You can see. That's good. I love my
Did you
GoPro.
understand what she was saying?
A little bit.
Yeah, same. Sometimes. But,
A lot of content, guys.
I don't know, that was kind of weird.
Yeah. Indian restaurant. A lot of Indian restaurants also you can find in Ho Chi Minh.
Would be a cool area to stay in, honestly.
Yeah.
But I bet it's super pricey.
And loud also. I don't know what's going on.
I don't know. Let's go find out. Gonna try going inside.
Can't even read it.